Hello friends, I have come on your screen with a new topic, and today's topic is all about how to speak English fluently and comfortably. Because what I have noticed, there are lots of people who say they understand when somebody says something to them, but when the moment comes to reply them, then they struggle. They don't find how to reply them, how to respond them in the English language. This is the problem that most people this have shared with me, and this is the problem they are facing in their day-to-day life. So in this video, I'm just going to address that problem, how to solve this problem, how to come out of this problem there, what ideas, what techniques they are to follow so that they will also feel comfortable while responding to anybody else, anywhere else at any time. Okay. Therefore, I request you all, do not miss any point in the video. Go watching very minutely and by paying attention from the beginning to the end. I'm very hopeful that this video will help you out of that problem. Now let me tell you, we all are with our mother tongue and we are very comfortable in our mother tongue as well, no doubt, because this is after all our mother tongue. But when the matter comes of the English language, we start hesitating, right? Our face gets blushed because we have to speak some different language. So, how do we get out of this situation? How to feel comfortable, how to have the same kind of expression on our face that we have while speaking in our mother tongue? I'm pretty much sure once you go applying these all suggestions, ideas, techniques in your day-to-day life, then that makes you feel happy from the inside. Because when you find yourself speaking the English language outside, in the mass, before the people, then everybody will turn their heads towards you. And this is a word saying side that makes you feel happy. You will be like, oh yes, now I'm able to speak English. And of course you are speaking. Yes, I know this is the language that we are not very much familiar with. But this is not something that you are thinking. What I believe, we are already familiar with the English language. You may be thinking, how? Let's say, if I say to you, today evening, when you go to bed, promise with yourself that tomorrow morning, and then till you come to bed once again, it means all day long, I won't speak a single word from the English language. Do you think, can you make this kind of promise with yourself? Do you think that you are sure you won't speak any single word tomorrow morning and then all day long tomorrow? Never. I don't think you can. It means the English language has already come into your day-to-day life. So you are already familiar with that. So why you are saying that this is something unknown to you? Why you are thinking that you are not made for English? You are. You can. Now, first let's check out where you are then. What is your level? I give you a scale with 10 different stations. Means 10 different points there from 0 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 like that 10. So find out yourself where you find yourself on the scale. I think most of you will find you are somewhere at 3, 4 or 5. So it means when you are finding yourself at 3, 4, 5 means you are speaking English. How nice this is now. So we're thinking you do not know, you know it. Only it needs a bit more effort. And then you can be an English speaker as well. Yes, another thing is there, your confidence. You start losing confidence once you try to open your mouth with some English words. You try to lose your confidence. You feel shy. You find people situation around there. Your eyes may notice some people around and then who will be like monster for you when the matter of English comes there. So don't care anything else. Develop your confidence. Kick out shyness. Kick out your fear there. Okay. Go speaking and speaking and speaking. Whether you know or you don't know. Speak. As we started speaking our mother tongue. We never went to any language center. Exactly in the same way, you don't have to go to any language center if you want to really, if you want to learn the English language. Here, I am here to help you out. Okay, let me give you some suggestions, some ideas, what you should do there. The very first thing and very essential thing, the very important thing is be a child when you speak. Why I say be a child? Exactly the same way as when we were acquiring our mother tongue. We never cared anything else. We never noticed who are around us. We never noticed whether they know more than me. We never noticed that. Okay? And a child is never scared of anything else. Even a tiger comes, nothing happens to the child. Even a soldier comes, nothing happens to the child. Exactly the same way, you also feel that those people around you, they are not monsters. Even if they are, underestimate them. Means don't care them. Go speaking as a child speaks. As much as you can, regardless of any mistakes. Don't think that if I speak, then some people will noticing my faults, my mistakes. Let them notice. You don't care. As children never care whether they speak correct or incorrect. So the very first thing, be a child for the English language. You can. Second point, this is develop I can do attitude. What I said? I can do attitude. Develop this kind of attitude because it is not something impossible. It is not something that you can't do. It is under your control. It can be under your control there. Okay. So English is not something that is impossible. It is not something that you can never get. You can get that. It is simply a language. You can do that. So never think I can't do. You can. So I can attitude. Develop it. This is second point. Some people, what I have noticed, what they say there, yes, I try to speak English, but when I try to open my mouth with some English words, then I don't find some words, some vocabulary items. It means I am lacking vocabulary items. This is how some people say. What I say, don't worry about that also. Whether you have 1,000 words, whether you have 500 words, whether you have 100 words, whatever words you have, play with them. First, learn to play with those words. Develop confidence by playing with those words. And once you gain confidence, job is done. Okay, so never think I have limited words. You have words, play with them. And after that, once you get confidence, now there are different sources from where you can bring some more vocabulary items that you like to use in your daily life. First, words that you have, go with them. This is the point. Next point is, that may be the fourth one. Put your headphone in your ears and then play music on. Go listening to music, and at the same time, you have to get your recorder on. Why? Go listening to music, at the same time your recorder is on, and at the same time, you just go speaking something in the English language. Then, what advantage do you get from this? Of course you will get advantage, my friend. Sure. And what is that? Say. Right now, if you are speaking, then you listen to your own voice. And your voice may be making you feel ashamed when you commit mistakes. And this music, which is on, and headphones which are in your ears, won't let you listen to your voice. Therefore, you won't know when you are committing mistakes. You won't know where you are hesitating. You will go speaking and speaking. And your speaking is being recorded on the recorder. Once you are over with speaking, now keep your headphones aside. Stop the recorder and play it again. Why? To listen to your own voice, to get the feedback from your recordings. This will help you where you hesitated, where you have to rework. That will help you develop confidence too. Therefore, go putting your headphones in your ears and speak before the recorder. Next one is while you are speaking, it means you are in the learning stage. And of course, lots of problems may come there, but you are not to be disturbed by those problems. Those difficult situations are not to disturb you. I won't be disturbed. Let's think like that. Anything that we do first time is difficult, right? Okay, but once we overcome that difficulty, then after we start enjoying that. Before it was difficult, now we are enjoying. How? Because we have learned it. Okay, so same is the case with English language too. Therefore, while speaking, while learning, never focus on speed and grammar. Yes, really. Speed and grammar, they are not your target right now. Your target is fluency. I don't think that you neglect grammar. I don't mean that. So please don't misunderstand me. But right now, for the time being, keep grammar aside, keep speed aside there. Because speaking doesn't mean be a fast speaker. Okay, speak comfortably. Speak from the diaphragm there. Feel relaxed. Speak with emotion. Speak with expression. Speak with body language. This is the main thing, right? Therefore, go connecting all these things with your fluency, which makes people think, oh yes, this person is speaking how nice. This person is speaking very nicely. This kind of comment you will get. So, focus on fluency, not grammar, not speed. At the same time, let me tell you, there are some online resources, there are some online platforms as well where you can practice speaking English. As one is ChatGPT. I think you all know. And this is easily available in the Play Store. So go to your Play Store, type ChatGPT, OpenAI this is, ChatGPT, install it and open that app in your mobile device. Once it is opened, at the right side bottom corner of the screen, you'll find the icon of headphone. Tap on that, get the application recognize the voice. Once your voice is recognized, now you can go talking live with ChatGPT on any topic all day. This is one that will help you out. Next is Speak and Improve. This is a website developed by Cambridge. And this website is really again very useful and very meaningful for all those who are preparing for IELTS or TOEFL. Because here some questions are given with time. Four questions like that, and then some simple questions with some certain seconds that you have to reply. And then once you are over with those, some more advanced questions will be there, and time will also increase. Okay, so these two are there. Next is, yes, some people who are around you who are appearing before you as monster that you feel. Already I said at the beginning too, so that I don't want to focus on this point once again. Simply I want to say here, underestimate them. Just think they know nothing. I know better than them. And of course you know, right? You know better than them. Just think like that and go speaking. Never care that if I speak, then they will notice my mistakes and they will laugh at me. No, don't think like that. Of course they don't laugh at you. Even if they laugh at you, don't care. Let them laugh because you want to learn, not they are to learn. Therefore, do not care them and underestimate them. You should think you are far better than them while speaking comes in English language. Always look for situation. moment where you get chance to speak, where you get chance to practice English as much as you can, when you can speak a lot. Okay, but what I have noticed, when situation comes, when moment comes there, then some people they start running away from there. They start skipping that situation. They feel anxious. They feel very scared. They feel frightened. No. Before you were looking for the situation, now the time has come and you are skipping that. Never do these things. Fight. Stay. Stand bold without fearing anything. Speak and speak and speak. This is what there. So don't run away from the situation. Get it and get the advantage of it. Create the environment where you can speak a lot. Okay. The last point that I want to say. Of course, you are speaking your mother tongue, no doubt. Every day, every moment, you are speaking mother tongue. You are speaking. Okay. Because mother tongue is something that we are blessed with. Okay. So we can't be without mother tongue. And that's nice. We should be. So what I want to say here, no doubt, when you are communicating or when you are at home with your family members, brothers, sisters, I mean your siblings are there, and then in the room on the table you find a mobile phone is there and which is not yours, okay, which is of somebody else, maybe of your sister. When phone comes, when somebody has dialed and now the phone is ringing, your sister is not there. Of course, at home we speak our mother tongue. So now, within your mother tongue, go inserting some sentences as fragments. Okay. Of course, you have to inform your sister that your phone is ringing. So before this and after that, of course, you'll be speaking mother tongue. But at least this simple short sentence, you just say, "Sister, your phone is ringing," or "Sister, somebody is calling you." One sentence you have inserted in your mother tongue. Yes. This is also one way. It means go switching from the mother tongue to the English language and again from the English language to the mother tongue. So make this switching frequent. That will also help you develop confidence, help you come out of that shyness, the problem of shyness, helps you to get fluency and will get you out of fearful situation. These are the suggestions, ideas that I want to share with you. And I know once you go apply these all ideas in your practice, in your day-to-day life, I am pretty much sure without visiting any language center, without taking much time, within 1 month, you can be a good speaker of the English language. You can communicate very comfortably with expression, with emotion, with your body language. Suitable body language, perfect body language. Okay, practice every day. Be that in your life, right? Just behave exactly in the same way as we behave with our mother tongue. Same behavior the English also needs. So go practicing. This is what I want to share. I hope this video must have become useful, and then I'm very hopeful that you will apply these all techniques in your day-to-day life, and then you will find a kind of improvement in your speaking skill. If you like this video, please share and do not forget to subscribe as well. Once you subscribe this, that will encourage us to come up with some more videos like this and like some others too.